I wish you guys could see the sticker we made for the. Don't blame me, I voted for the Jayhawks. Available on the Jayhawks website. This is a song off the new record called Two Birds, and it's really about my wife, of course. We're going to make you guys sick with how in love we are, but this is a song about finding your love and your best friend at the same time. Two birds with one stone. It's called Two Birds. Let's go out with the bar and rain. Today came too early once again. Crossing through my blood, surprise my wandering eye, forever locked in time. Never walking alone, two birds with just one stone. Moses hustles and